Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can remove background noise in Canva. So basically in Canva you cannot remove background noise from video in Canva, but you can remove the background noise from video in other way. For remove background noise, first go to Google search bar and here search for video background noise remover. Now scroll down. And this is the site. Just go to the wait.co, click on this, and then you can upload your video here, and then the video background noise will be automatically removed. After that you can download it. After download, then go back Canva and then upload your video. So this is the way you can remove background noise from video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.